Hi guys, it's been a really long time, especially for YouTube. I've been updating my Instagram constantly, but YouTube videos, yeah. Zelda does have green eyes, but I will be photoshopping them for the image. Let's get started. Yay! Don't know what else. Okay, blah. The reason I wanted to attempt this character really, I'm just gonna show it. Either I'll put an image up or I'll show you guys through here, but I'll put an image up. But basically she has a very detailed sort of shirt jacket situation going on that I really wanted to attempt and body paint and try to get part of the beauty routine. I start with my eyebrows, right? But my eyebrows are too dark, so I will be using Meron's hair white just to create a white coating on my eyebrows so that then I can make them more of an ashy blonde like what Zelda actually has. So I usually just take like a spoolie or disposable mascara wand and I do this, and I try to cover as much as I can of mine without leaving it too white either. So I have the Jaclyn Hill palette, Morphe palette, and I'm gonna use this like mustardy thing in here, so we'll see if that works. So I'm gonna grab one of these angled brushes. For today I'm gonna use something extremely white and pale. It's not going to match my actual skin tone, and I'm intending on that. For anyone who tells me later that it's not matching my skin tone, I hope it's for a character, purpose, change, transformation. That's what this is about. I'm not teaching you how to. Oh god, I'm getting vexed with myself. This is Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in 5 Ivory, which means ghost white. Cute. Just gonna start with the base of this guy right here on the Jaclyn Hill palette. Big fluffy brush, because it's gonna go everywhere. You don't have to be too careful with this. So let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna go with something shimmery on the lid first, and then I'll apply a mustard yellow in between the shimmer and what I've already placed. So the shimmer, I'm gonna go with Guilt Trip from Jaclyn's Armed and Gorgeous Vault palette. So I'm gonna go with this one, Guilt Trip. Packing brush. Now I will grab Morphe's M433. I should know that name by now. So the Vault one has this, I think it's very similar to what she has on her first palette with Morphe. It's called Access. This one right there. So yeah, I'm just placing this between the shimmer that I had and the transition that I had, just to blend it out. Sometimes I used to use white for this. I got this one from LA Girl called Ultimate Intense Day Auto Liner for the eyes, and it's like a cream shade. Does it have the name of the shade? Super Bright. And it is actually super bright. I will be using from the same Armed and Gorgeous Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, Smooth Criminal. To use a really nice tapered blending blush. This is the Morphe M506, right by where my crease is. Palette also has a color called Prowl, which is a darker, nice, rich, chocolatey brown that I might just add for even more definition later on. But let's try to create a nice blending base first with a flat line brush, M432, very flat. The Seam Smooth Criminal, bringing it as close to my lash line as possible. The Prowl shade on top. I'm gonna stick my lashes on. I just have like these really cheap, like wispy looking ones that I'm gonna apply. I'm gonna do this off camera because it's gonna be torture. Goodbye. Wait. So I am usually I think I'm still 203 on the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation, but again, ZELDA is fairly pale, but I don't think she's as pale as 201, so I'm gonna mix the two. I'm gonna be using Real Techniques buffing brush, nice and dense brush, to apply a heavy coat of the foundation. So I'm now gonna just set my entire face with some Kat Von D translucent powder. I'm going to use two things, a combo of the Shade and Light contour palette from Kat Von D, and then I have this like half contour, half bronze thing from Morphe bronzer and contour. The M104 angled powder brush. Circular motions to go lightly to bring that in. And sometimes I get frustrated and it's just taking too long, so I will just pack a lot on the brush and dab. Concentrated there, but I won't dab right here because that's just gonna be too much for that. I don't like it when people say make me look skinny. I'm not a plastic surgeon. She's a very flushed girl, you know, anything happens she's like ah. I'm gonna try with this one the R10, and I am just gonna give her some very rosy cheeks. I'm gonna have my blending brush that I've been using to just get rid of any harshness and handy, just because if this goes too heavy I can just go with this. Again, she is very rosy, very blush tone, and then I'm gonna go in with a nice like a Fenty glow on top. Alright, so let's see how this goes. I need to get me another one of this. It's just tell you how it's like my favorite highlight and blush combo. I only have this one. I want to buy them all, but I definitely need to restock on this baby because it has hit pan a very long time ago and I refuse to let it go. Okay, now the camera is being very generous with me right now, but personally I can't, as much as I love it, I can't do much highlight. As I said, I have very textured skin, so what highlight does is that it just brings out all this little pores and dots and scarring that I have. I'm actually going to paint what is gold yellow first as a base, and I'm gonna do the white last because I'm scared of it. I'm gonna paint some areas white and work on those areas before I do the others, because then I'm gonna lose what I drew if I just paint everything white. So yeah. So the shades for the line shades, the shade for the lines on the top, I will be using, I think this one matches it pretty good. It's actually one of the lighter shades on the Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette. So I'm gonna do an angled brush. That means I'm just gonna get really close to the edge and just mark it and bring it down. Okay, so I'm nearly done. I'm gonna apply my e.l.f. airs. Been using these, like reusing these for 2 years now. I got them at the Halloween, Spirit Halloween shop, on the States ones, but you can order these online, it's easy. And what I used to stick them on is some Spirit gum. This is what the airs look like. That Spirit gum, how it works is that you have to tap it to make it tacky for it to work, and then you stick whatever you want to stick. Again, this is just minimal sticking, guys, just for the purposes of this video. I don't want to use too much glue because, like I said, I have so many hairs there. grab some of that foundation and then mix it clear, and I'm just gonna it's boiling, so I'm gonna go take some pictures really quickly because I'm starting to start this off. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Subscribe, share, like, all that fun stuff. If you want to, you don't have to, you know. But yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know which version of Zelda is your favorite in the comments below. Bye.